Hi! Everyone loves our little mini shapes because they are fantastic for balloon stacks. Grabo's got a huge range of animals, transport, even alcohol. So we're just going to show you a little quick one of how to actually inflate these fabulous balloons since they don't have the self-seal valves in them. Everyone gets a little bit scared and feels that the balloons are faulty. This usually isn't the case. It's just how you seal them. You need to make sure that your valve or your neck is really, really flat and smooth. So when it goes in your heat sealing machine, it gives you a very, very smooth seal. You don't want any creases in there at all. If you do a crease in there, what's going to happen is the air is going to be under pressure and push itself out in a capillary action. And you don't want that because it'll mean the balloon will go down and you then can't reinflate it. If you're scared that you've maybe not got it right, once you've done a seal up at the top, you can then do another seal further down just to make sure that you are very happy that you've got two secure seals in there. If that first seal fails, because you have got a little crease in it like we've got on this one, what will happen is that little middle bit will puff itself up as the air comes through into it, but is then blocked by your second seal. So if you are a little bit scared or you're a little bit nervous about doing it, make sure you put two seals in there. Once you're comfortable, you'll just need the one, it's not a problem. Now all heat sealers are slightly different. This is mine. And I've put a little mark on there as to the temperature that I know it needs to actually seal these foil balloons. Once you push it down, when the red light's on it, the heating element's working. Once that light goes off, it's finished. So it's a very quick process. Please try it though with your heat sealing machine because they are all different. Some of them have a much higher setting that they need to go onto it, so they'll actually heat seal for longer and melt the plastic. If your little gauge on there is too high, it will just burn straight through. If it's too low, the seal will just pop back open again. So practice with some little cheap foils or little off-cut foils to make sure that you're happy with it being the right temperature, and then you're good to go.